this is Tomlin from TomlinHarmonicaLessons.com, and this week's harmonica lesson is going to be a really good beginner's lesson to learn a really cool tune, which is George Gershwin's Summertime. So for this lesson you'll need a harmonica in the key of C, although we are playing in 4th position in the key of A minor. Okay, so before I teach you how to play it, I'm just going to play you through the whole tune so you know what you're going to be learning, and then I'll break it down into licks and we'll work through it one by one. And the tab is going to be up on screen, so it'll be super easy for you to play along with me. All right, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's break that down into 4 licks. So your first lick is going to sound like this. It's going to start after beat 3 on the off beat. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the crucial thing, because we're playing right at the high end of the harmonica, is to make sure that you're not blowing or sucking too hard, because if you do, you're going to find that the harmonica fights you. We don't want fighting harmonicas, so you've got to be nice and gentle without too much air pressure. If you force, you'll get these really horrible sounding notes. We don't want that. So play nice and gently, and that'll help with your breath control. So the first 3 notes we're playing 8 blow, 7 blow, 8 blow, and you're going to hold that third that third note, the second 8 blow, for 5 beats. So you've got to be really thinking about how long you're playing it for. So starting on the off beat, 1, 2, 3. Okay, that was the 5 beats that you needed to hold it for. And then we have a nice quick sequence starting on beat 2 of the next bar. Ba, 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 ba. So I'm singing along with this because I find that for melody learning, it's much easier if you have a strong idea of what the melody is and you can almost sing it. It'll make learning much, much quicker. So we've got 8 draw, 7 blow, 8 draw, 8 blow, 7 blow. So those first 4 notes are 8th notes, which means they last for half a beat, and then that 7 blow is a quarter note, so it lasts for a whole beat. Okay, and then the third part of this lick is a 6 draw landing on beat 1, lasting for 2 beats, then a 5 blow landing on beat 3, lasting for 3 beats. So that's okay, so if we put all those together, let's try playing it through nice and slowly. So remembering you're starting on the off beat after beat 3. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so if you want to pause the video and spend a little bit of time practicing that lick, that's a really good idea. If you're ready though, let's move on to lick number 2, which is going to sound like this. 1, 2. Okay, so very, very similar to lick 1, same kind of phrasing structure, but the rhythm is ever so slightly different, and it's important that you get that right. So where lick 1 started on the off beat after beat 3, lick 2 starts on beat 3. So we've got 8 blow, 7 blow, 8 draw, 8 draw. So the 8 blow, 7 blow are on beat 3 and 4. So it's kind of drawn out a little bit more, and that's crucial to get the feel of the melody right. So let's just try that first little bit, starting on beat 3. So you got 1, 2. And you're holding that second 8 draw until the end of that bar, and then you have a 1 beat rest before playing a little 8th note sequence. So that's 7 blow, 6 draw, 7 blow, 6 draw, and then land on a 7 blow for a quarter beat. For a quarter note, so for a whole beat. Ba, 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 ba. Okay? And then we're going to end off with a 7 draw, which you're holding for 6 beats. So don't count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, stop. Okay, it's important that you count in 4s because this is in 4/4 time. There are 4 beats to the bar, so we don't go over the quantity of beats in the bar when we're counting. Okay, so that second bit, the little 8th note sequence, starts on beat 2. So let's just try that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, 6 beats. So let's try putting both halves of that lick together nice and slowly. Remember, we're starting on beat 3. 1, 2. Okay, excellent. So, as before, if you want to spend a little bit of time working on this lick in isolation, that's a great idea. Pause the video, work through it. If you're ready, let's move on to lick number 3. So, lick number 3, like lick number 1, starts on the offbeat after beat 3, and you'll hear that it's incredibly similar to lick number 1. So let's have a listen to that. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the only real differences are that instead of landing on an 8 blow at the beginning of that first chunk and just holding it, you're going to re-attack it. So you're doing ba ba ba. So for that, because you've got the repeated notes, you're going to need to articulate it gently with a t sound. And if you're finding that the note is getting squashed and not really resonating, then try a d sound, so a slightly softer consonant. And then you have the same second half, a second third. And then the same ending, 6 draw, 5 blow. With the only slight difference being that the 5 blow, instead of holding it for 3 beats, you're holding it for 4 beats. And it starts on beat 3, so you're going to be counting 3, 4, 1, 2, stop. Okay? So I'm going to play through that nice and slowly, and I'd like you to join me. So, starting after beat 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, right, pause the video, spend a little bit of time working on that lick, and if you're ready, let's move on to the 4th and final lick. So this one's a little bit more challenging, it's quite long, quite drawn out, there's lots of counting involved, and this is, yeah, it's the money lick. So, starts on beat 4 and sounds like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we're starting on 5 blow, and starting on beat 4, 5 blow, then 6 blow on beat 1 on the next bar. 5, 6, back to the 5, 5, 6, then a 6 draw. And then we go up to a 7 blow for a quarter beat, a quarter note, and then 8 blow, 8 draw, 8th note. And then play the 7 blow on beat 3. Then a 1 beat rest, that's crucial, and then hit the 6 draw at the beginning of the next bar. And that 6 draw you're gonna hold for 5 beats. So you're gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and stop. So. Okay, so let's try putting that together really, really slowly, that lick 4, starting on beat 4. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, cool. So, work on that lick a little bit, and then, if you're feeling super feisty, shall we try playing through the whole tune? I think we shall. So let's play through it nice and slowly, and really focus on the timing and also the breath control. If you find that you're running out of air, just, cut short one of those long held notes and catch your breath. That's okay if you do that, but try and maintain the overall placement of the notes. Maybe cut them down, but don't move them around. Okay, so let's try that together, starting on the off beat after beat 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, cool. So, it's quite a challenging piece, especially if you're new to the instrument, but it's great practice for your breath control and making sure that you're not playing too hard. So a lot of people really play too hard, especially in the higher end of the harmonica. So this will really, really help with that. So to make it easier for you to learn, what I've done, I've put together audio clips of each of the licks by themselves, as well as a tab that you can download. So all you need to do is click on the link in the description below to go to my website, put your email address in, and I will auto-magically send you the tab and audio clips for this tune. And before you do that, you can do one more little thing for me, and if you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up by hitting the like button below. Hit that little bell icon so that you get notified of new videos, and hit subscribe so that you don't miss out on next Wednesday's harmonica lesson. All right, take it easy. Happy harping.